Hello everybody, it's Junior Computer Scientist here, and I'm working on my Porfolio website, and I'm going to show everyone. So as I'm sitting down, staring at walls, like I usually do, I was thinking, maybe I should make a Porfolio website, because I have all of this knowledge of how to make a website, but never actually made a website. And that is what's hindering me from creating websites. The fear of not knowing how to create a website with all the knowledge I know, So that's what inspired me to just start, So that's exactly what I did. I started making this beautiful thing that you see right here. Well, it's kind of beautiful. As you can see, I got my logo here, I think that's pretty cool. Got the logo down here, my head, my floating head, Jordan Computer Scientist. And I have my GitHub there. Whoa, that was an accident. Yeah, I got my GitHub there. One thing that you can obviously see is that when you hover over it, it turns blue. It's pretty cool. And these are actual links to things, So yeah, they all work. That's pretty cool. And as you go down, I got like this nice, background here. I'm not done. I have to add a footer, and I actually have to make it responsive. It's not a responsive website, I'm not going to lie to you, but that's why I'm making this, so I can learn how to do all of that. So yeah, I got this nice background here, and my bio's here. This is what I just finished just now. So I wanted just like a slideshow, which basically just, has my projects that I've been doing. Obviously I'm going to add more, but right now, at this current moment, this is what I have, my savings calculator, rock, paper, scissors, and JavaScript, and my binary translator. And if you click on the name, they all actually go to the repository, and I kind of just want to go over the code for this specific part, just because I kind of finished it, and I want to make sure I can explain it. So with that being said, let me get VS Code wherever it is. It's on my second screen. Plop it up. So I have to go to JS. So actually I'm going to start HTML. So with HTML, somewhere in here, I have previous and next. Those are my buttons right here, previous and next. And I have this figure, which they all have the same class, so that I can just make it one variable, and it's just going to automatically be an array because there's multiple. So with that being said, each one is different. So I have a different image, a different description, a different title and a different description of the program, and that's the end of it. So this is one, and then it goes 2 and 3. So far all I have is 3. And then we go over to JavaScript, and this is all the code it took, 29 lines. It wasn't even a lot, but I have slide index equaling 0, and I have, and disclaimer, I kind of got this code from Geeks for Geek. No, it was W3 Schools. But the way that they did it, they just kind of let it be possible, but you have to go in the code and manually change it. So this is where knowing how to code yourself comes into play, so you can just edit the code and make it actually work how you're supposed to make it work. So with that being said, let me explain this code to you. So yeah, slide index equals 0, and I have these 3 variables which equal elements. So like I said, this one is going to be the slide array, and these 2 are the next and previous button. Now show slides shows the slides. So if whatever gets into here, obviously is always going to be slide index. So if that is greater than the amount of slides there are, then we're just going to go back to, I'm going to 1, but I should actually be going to 0. Yeah, so we're going back to 0, and then vice versa. If it's less than 0, then we're going all the way up to 2, which is, the amount of slides that it is, like the maximum number of slides that I have. So then after that, I have this for loop here, which it goes through my list of arrays and it sets all of them to none. Then after that, it goes right back to that list and then sets the current index that it's at -1 to display block. And then I just call slides here, which just shows one slide. And then every time I hit left, it goes backwards. And every time I hit right, it goes forward. Yeah, that's my project. Right now it's not working for some reason. I don't know what happened. Well, I don't know what happened, but I just realized that one, it's kind of needed. If I make it 0, it doesn't show. For some reason, my indexes are only 2, 3, and 4, and that's making it work. I'm probably going to go back into this and see how I can fix that. But other than that, yeah, that's my Porfolio website and it's working. And yeah, I'm going to add a footer and probably make it public. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to join my Discord. My link is in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My name is Jordan the CS on Twitter, jordanthecs.js on Instagram, and I'm going to see all of you in my next video. Thank you for watching.
I'm insecure still, and she's starting to notice. She think my feelings are bogus, but really she is my bonus. I don't like how I wrote this because